Hi Group 1, here are your words for your spelling test this week. Your first word is scale. I had to use a scale to weigh the fruit. Scale. Your next word is snail. I saw a snail crawling on the ground. Snail. The next word is swing. I went to the park, but I saw that the swing was broken. Swing. The next word is school. I will see you at school on Friday. School. The next word is snake. I got to touch a snake at the zoo. Snake. Your next word is swan. There was a beautiful white swan on the pond yesterday. Swan. The next word is snap. Can you snap your fingers? Snap. Your last word is a surprise word. Your surprise word is sweet. The chocolate cake tasted very sweet. Sweet.